This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
And there is an approach which will help us to do so. So, I will delete this for now. I have my test website for this. And so I have very simple structure. It's default structure from the demonstration stuff. So I have shop, philosophy, and news. I have footers for every page, as you can see, right? So for every page, I have the footer. And let's say for the philosophy, I want this footer to like do not exist, right? So I want to remove it from here just for this section for philosophy, for the philosophy. So what should I do? First of all, I go to my website. So it's again my website, just no redirect in order to remove this control panel and stuff. And okay, and this one anyways, I will need this. Okay, so every page on the Squarespace has its own index, its own ID. I'm sorry, its own ID. So for example, this one has this ID, like the whole page, right? So this is just an ID, an identifier for this page, and we need this if we want to remove something from this page, obviously. If I go to a different page, remember this DCD ending, I go to philosophy, a different ID. I go to news, again, a different ID. So for example, for the philosophy, I want to remove this. I need to choose this ID from body. Okay, so I just open DevTools and I see this body ID. I copy it right here. I want to go to design, custom CSS. So in order to apply something for a specific ID, some CSS property, I have to add hashtag and then this one. Okay, so we want to apply something for this page, and then we should find the appropriate footer class, and I can see it is footer, right? Footer. So I can simply add dot, copy it like this. And then, for example, I want it to like I want to remove it, right? So I just type something like display none, and I hit save button. I hit this, and I see like no footer on this page, but I go to a different page, shop. There is a footer, then use. There is a footer. So this algorithm will help you to work with elements on some specific page, and I think it's really helpful.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.